Getting ready to go create some gun content, go shooting with the illustrious Ryan Smith. Mad excited. I look forward to learning a lot. Stay tuned.
All right, man. So today we got a Ram Tactical trigger and a SIG P365 fuse. This is actually supposed to be the best trigger you can find for this particular handgun. I've tested several different types of triggers with the Apex trigger, the SIG trigger, the Grigos trigger. I even went all the way out to M Carbo's trigger. And so far, what this has led me to is actually trying this one out. So I've had it for a few months now, had run it through some test runs. This is kind of generation 1.5-ish, as they had to make some changes to the trigger return spring. But I'm gonna give it to, I'm gonna test it out, and I'm a part of buying the camera test it out, and see what we get out of it, and see how fast we can get shooting with it. We're gonna test various types of ammo, 115, 124. What we do it for speed, for all the above. How we do.
Right.
You've been shooting since you've been here?
Yeah, I was shooting over there in the other.
I'll have you start first because I'm gonna start cold.
Okay. So what grain are these?
This one is 124 grain.
Copy.
Standard 9mm 124. Start.
All right, y'all. He's gonna have me start first. He's gonna do his review cold. I think I was probably making them nervous because I was doing 3-yard, 5-yard, 7-yard drills and making it alternate, bat. Yeah. Like, why does his target keep moving?
All right. So,
all right.
Ready?
Yep. Here we go.
All right, first we're gonna test for accuracy. So,
okay.
You got about 17 rounds in there.
Copy. Trigger is light. Clear.
Pulled that last one though.
Yeah. There's a couple of them I pulled in there. I was like, okay, let me take use of this pistol.
That's it.
All right. It started coming together towards the end, and then I pulled again. Like, oh man. All right.
All right. I'm gonna do a 5-round group.
Say again.
I'm gonna do a slow 5-round group.
Okay. The illustrious Ryan Smitty. I'm just messing with the illustrious Grady Ryan Smith. Man, I can't wait to tell. Oh my gosh, look at that, boy. Woo.
All right.
Lord have mercy. I'm gonna zoom in while you're at it too, man.
Top left. I'm going top left.
Top left. All right, here we go. These are at 5 yards.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
All right, I'm warmed up now. I'm gonna go top right.
Bet that. Top right. Little group therapy on your Saturday morning.
Yeah. I haven't shot in a while, especially that one.
That's all good. Hey, I like that trigger though. If you ain't careful, that thing will go off while you're thinking.
So we'll talk about the trigger pull weight, because they actually have them in different trigger pull weights depending on the gun and what you select on their website.
Copy.
Not terrible today.
Huh?
Not a good day for me shooting.
Hey, you gotta warm up. It's cold in here too. That AC is on blast. But see, I just shot like 50 rounds.
Yeah, I'm super cold, so I'm right up in here with it.
Yeah.
up. Well, I can tell you this. Damn good trigger. But now we're going to have to speed it up a little bit.
Okay.
So now that we got warmed up a little bit, let's see how fast we can.
All right.
On target.
I'm gonna grab a
Grab another target.
Yeah. You hit that, John. What was that first one?
Yeah. All right. Electrician, your turn.
Yeah.
Got 5 rounds, as fast as you can.
Okay.
Push it back to 5 yards.
Oh, come over.
Top right.
That was one of them, John, huh?
Yeah, got 2.
What the hell was I doing there, Bob?
It's always that last one. It's always that last. It's better than 10 rounds. Go top left. And yes, I do have an extra mag. Just too lazy to reach the bag.
Say again?
I do have an extra mag. Just too lazy to reach the bag.
That's all right.
Terrible.
Hey, he's here, y'all. He showed up.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's been a minute, but I'm getting back home. Again.
That got tighter, my G. Yeah.
All right. Your turn.
I got this timer. My wife got me this timer. I still got to learn how to work that thing, man.
Me too. I usually had him do it for me. Like Kevin, come here.
Yeah. All them buttons. I'm like, okay.
Take bottom right or bottom left.
Okay, I'm going to go bottom right.
Gotcha.
We're doing 10 now?
Yeah, 10 rounds.
All right. Nope.
Okay.
Yes, indeed.
Hey, you got me on that one. That was. There you go. All right.
Hey, I like this SIG, bro.
Overall, how does it feel?
This thing is cold. It, like any weapon, it has recoil, but it ain't jumping and popping. You know what I mean? And I think with more repetition, man, I can tighten that up. But yeah, I like that.
How's the trigger feeling?
Oh,
Reset.
Motor saw. If I was to guess, I would say at least between 2.5. What do you think?
Two and a
Yeah.
half. Yep.
Yeah. Man.
All right. So on these triggers, they actually come in a certain setting. You can get them with a 4 pound, 4.5, 3 pound trigger in the drop down on the website. The coolest part about it is you tune them right, you get them down like we have today, 2.5 pound. When I have that, I'm used to that kind of trigger. So it's not safe for personal carry. Well, keep your finger off the trigger. But also, it's not personal carry gun, it's more going towards competition. So sliding 21 round mag, put an optic on it, carry out competition.
Yeah. Word. Hey, these drills are dope. I brought some.
So typically, what we do the next time we're here, we'll go on day 3 and go down the line, and what we'll do is we'll have a target where I'll shoot a hole in the target, and your job is to shoot that same hole. Pow! Go to the next one.
Wow. Yeah.
Stand side by side and hit the target at about 10 yards. Let's go.
That's crazy.
So it's really fun.
That'll tighten you up. Yeah, yeah.
So in the next video, we're going to change it up a little bit. Obviously, it's going to be modified. This gun is not just a trigger shoe. It comes with the sear spring, as well as the trigger return spring and the trigger shoe as well. So it's not just a small trigger shoe that you just add in and just adjust. It's actually a whole system. So it's going to be a little more expensive than you can find like a big $60 start without installation. There is a little bit as far as rating goes, as far as installation, trigger wise. I would say out of 10, you probably be around a 7 or 9. It's not easy, it's not for the faint of heart. It's
Right.
you gotta work with patience. However, it can be done at home.
It has like a Beretta trigger. That John is hard.
Very much like that. And most of it is, not necessarily the trigger itself, it's the sear and the sear spring lining up.
Okay.
That's just super fun.
Yeah. Bet.
Great gun, great shoot, great trigger. No issues, no malfunction so far.
Let's get another.
Put about another 300 rounds to it today.
Man.
See how we do.
Bet
So
that.
today we're shooting indoors. We'll probably shoot outdoors a little bit later. There will be a can on this. My next review is going to be Trooper Chicken.
Okay.
Red barrel. And also, we'll do after that. We'll be DQM guide rod. I had the pleasure of helping develop this guide rod. So we'll be testing that out. You guys will review it.
Let's get a shot of the front again. Yeah.
Let's go. I remember the first experience. It was the MP5K with the shorty suppressor on there. It was awesome.
Yeah.
He was like, 100% a suppressor. I'm like, you're going to today.
Yeah.
You're going
Never
to
shot
today.
full auto SMGs before. I'm like,
I'm
okay.
like, no, gotta do it.
Missed the target entirely.
Hey, but you know what? It's okay. You shot it. That looks cold right there. All right, can you hold that real quick? Sorry.
We're going to see if we can get this to cycle because I don't know if it's going to.
Are those the 160s?
These are 165s. So it's round nose, so it should be fine.
This is giving Squid Game. Hey, that second episode was sick. Did you watch it?
Is it the second season or the first season?
No, the second season came out.
I haven't watched it yet.
Man,
I don't really do a whole lot of watching it on shit other than like gun stuff and YouTube.
I hear you. I hear you. When I see him loading this mag, I'm like, uh-oh. This is what we're working with right now.
All right, let's see what the 160s do.
All right.
This is Stealth 165, really heavy ammo.
Okay.
It's out of a MP5K clone, which is the MP5K with a suppressor on it.
Let's go. Who's setting fireworks off in here?
Right?
Blackjacks, you know what I'm saying? Like,
All right, now we're gonna try
124 grain and an SD.
120 grain. Okay.
See how it sounds?
Wild. You guys have the nostalgia on?
They just shot all this.
I heard you guys got down after hours.
Yeah.
I want to join, bro.
Don't do it with an artist.
Does my membership count?
Don't do it with an artist. You'll have to shoot something like a 357 that's overly ridiculous.
Yeah. Well, no, there's a one day we were in Bay 3. I grab a bowling pin and I throw it down range. And he reaches into his pocket and he's struggling to pull out his little LCP. And he finally gets it out and goes, "Bah!" And then he looks at me, he's like, "I didn't have ear pro on." And I'm like, "No, you sure didn't."
Just not. All right, here we go. MTX SD. And then there was the one day, the artist comes out here, the bay is full. And he's standing there talking to John and Kevin, and he's just like, "Why is it so fucking loud out here?" And Kevin looks at him and says, "You don't have ear pro on, dummy."
Oops. Oh. Oh. They're up here. What you need, boss?
You wouldn't happen to have the wrench for this somewhere? That is the silencer cover.
Follow me.
All right, I'll be right back.
All right. He left me alone with this. Should I touch it? Come on, man. How you gonna leave me alone with this? Oh, that thing is cold too. Stealth subsonic ammunition. Yeah. Yeah. I carbon fused my cotton picket cap. I'm trying to take this off so I can put my can on. I am big mad right now.
You got another target? Can I smuggle some targets?
Huh?
I need to grab targets.
Oh, I got some. Hang on.
Try it?
I mean, Kennedy's gunshot?
Yeah, Butterfinger.
Now you know this is my gun, so you know the trigger's not normal. I just want to let you know.
Oh,
Let's look at that trigger.
okay. Oh. Don't sneeze.
Yeah.
Like that.
What would you guess that the pounds on there? How many pounds? What would you say that's rated at?
It's got to be all of about 3 to 4. About maybe 5. 2.5. Okay. Damn.
I only guessed that because of that 45 you got me.
Oh, he shot.
Man.
He was here when I was doing when I made them.
Oh my gosh, my
That
guy.
one actually was.
You go clean your drawers now. Yeah,
Okay.
that was good, man.
Okay. Here, try this one.
I like the reset.
I like the reset a lot. I put the Haley Strategic.
You went to Glock?
I've always been on it, man. But I put the Haley Strategic skimmer trigger in here.
Yeah.
The duty carry. Break clean at 5 every time. If I find a spot. Do.
Trigger right there.
Hell yeah, it is.
That's a combat trigger right there.
Yeah, and so it comes with the trigger sheet, the trigger bar, and polished striker spring, and sear.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. And it will break 5 pounds every single time.
It doesn't look like 5 pounds.
It does. It's a very smooth 5.
Yep. I like that.
Thank you. We'll go burn one.
All right, brother.
Oh. You want to
All right.
try it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We got a target.
Yeah, I got another one. This is the last one though. I only got.
You want to? For how much?
Huh?
What?
You got a target back there still?
Targets?
Yeah. Can I grab them if I need it? Hold that. All right, Larry, you up. About to do accuracy.
Accuracy test? All right, I'm gonna put that on the next one. Stand by. All right.
Scoot to your right.
All right, no problem. This is the first time shooting a Glock, my guy.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Pretty excited.
Very nicely done.
Thank you.
Very nicely done. Good control.
That was wild. I wanted to go down here. The first two I know I pulled, but I wanted to stay down here to see where I'd be at.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that.
Yeah, what
Hey,
was that,
man.
5 yards?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, man.
Wow.
That's real good. Handguns are minute and a half, dude.
You know, okay, I see you. I didn't know I was gonna ever put Glock on my hand. Good stuff, though. I'll go ahead and stand at the window. Right on, man. We made history today. Right.
All right, so we're doing accuracy. It's the FD with 124 grams. Obviously, FD, so it'll go straight. Use a dead center radius of 10 yards.
All right. Oh, you are?
Yep.
Did you already rack one in there?
No, you did.
Hey, well, hold on a second, my guy.
Drop that.
Straight. That sound like a whole bloop. That what you just saw was a whole blooper. But I wrapped the slide, not knowing. I thought I had to pull it way the hell back
Oh,
here.
no, it was already locked back.
Yeah, let me get that do-over right quick. Yo,
You still already had one.
did I have one in there already?
Yeah.
That's what I said. I never worked this before, but I thought I had to
Just
pull.
like, no, you do, but it's just like an AR. If it's already been shot, go ahead. Put it on
set that.
So you got 9 rounds in there.
Copy. Go for center.
Yep. how you did.
Man.
Hit the button.
Oh. That is crazy. See if I can get that round
Shot
back.
around the target. All the way around the target.
How many rounds went through that, you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
2 to 3 and 9. Because you had 9 rounds total.
Yeah, because I rejected one of them. That's crazy. I'm going to get that back, though. Ammunition, too expensive.
Right.
I like that.
Alright, now we're going to do
I
this.
never shot 9mm carbine like that, man.
Yeah. That's the SIG MPX. So pretty much the Rattler and the MPX are pretty much the same family. Now you're going to do the same thing with this guy.
Okay.
So this is going to be at a 165, so aim bottom right, top right, wherever you want to go.
Top right. Okay.
You know how to operate this
Yep.
one, right?
Well, no, school me.
All right, so hold that. First thing you want to do, load the mag, make sure it's in there tight, slap that, and then keep this on safe, and then drop it down to the next step. And you're ready to go.
That's giving AK-47.
So pretty much load the mag,
And then
have it seated in there, slap that.
and then drop down to fire.
Yep.
Copy. Man, oh man.
Now I will, those don't lock back on the last round hold open, so
Say again?
MP5 don't lock back in the last round.
Okay.
So put that one at 10 yards. Yep. Drop it down 1 notch.
Wait a minute. What's that E for?
It's a fake giggle switch, but it's not something that's going to do anything. Put it on safe, pull the back and pull the lock back and push up. There you go.
I like that. First time shooting that as well.
Well, you about to shoot a bigger one in a minute. Where are you aiming at?
My God.
Where are you aiming at? Where were you aiming? Where the fuck were you at?
Look at that. Hold up. Bro.
Yeah, we're going to get you a red dot. Oh, wait a minute. Let's make sure I'm not here. Hold on. Put 3 in here. Maybe it's the guy. I don't know.
Try to hold that one more time, bro.
Hold on.
You know what? I know what I did. I'm gonna shoot the rack down.
I was aiming down here. This is where I was at.
Bro, so
So the irons are way off.
we just gotta zero in real quick.
You?
My guy, my grouping is dope as hell,
Yeah?
but I almost shot the rack down.
There's the grouping there. And there's the grouping here.
I just, yeah, gosh, my guy. That's embarrassing. That's crazy.
Shenanigans.
Shenanigans, brother. gotta put that music in. Wow, wow, wow. That's crazy. I like that though. I might have to invest in some 9mm carbines, bro.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
So is that what that is?
Yeah, all of them are 9mm. What you would call PCC.
PCC, copy. Okay. I want to make sure I'm using the right term. So I was saying earlier, I'm excited to learn today. In no way am I coming in here working some ammunition, knowing what I'm talking about completely, because I've never fired these weapons before. You know?
Yep. Try this guy out with 165 grain. See how it feels. Nothing.
Nothing. Wow.
Yeah. That right there is the trick.
That's it right there, huh?
That'll work. All right. So we're gonna cut and we're gonna switch to some new guns.
All right.
Sig Rattler General. Alright, so this is a Sig Rattler General, chambered in 7.62 by 39. Now, the thing about this gun is it has a fire 24 each ATX trigger in it. This mag does not look like a 7.62, but I assure you it is, because it's what is called the uni mag, like the little ugly banana clip ones.
Yeah.
These are, the only downside to these is they only take 7.62. They take a variety of other 6, 300 knockout, 50 Bushmaster, all kinds of cool stuff. 6.5 Grindle, all that. The sad fact is they don't make them anymore because companies are business. They're awesome, super reliable.
Oh man.
I have a bunch of subsonic loaded up in this. We're going to start with no can supersonic, then we're going to go to can with supersonic, then we're going to go supersonic.
All right.
We ain't gonna do a lot. I ain't rich like this dude.
Too much.
I ain't like that dude.
Too much damn money. Hey, look, you can count the money as you shoot. First go around without the can.
Yep. Gonna do 3 rounds without the can.
Yeah, yeah.
You might want to tell the dude next to us that it's about to be real loud.
About to get loud, guys. Folks, what is this fire?
Yeah, that's just 7.62 rounds that I picked up at the show on the way here.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what we do. Ammo at the last minute. That's how we do it. We're like super prepared for everything. Alright, we're gonna do an ugly banana.
Here we go. No. I felt that in my spirit.
Sorry.
I felt that in my soul.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go can this time.
We gonna go can this time? Oh
Yeah,
Lord
we're
Jesus,
can.
thank you.
You know, John's in a class, right?
Yeah, they felt that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Tell him I'm sorry. Tell him to take it out of my paycheck.
Sorry.
My bad.
Yeah. Bro, I caught all the flashes and everything.
Yeah.
That went crazy.
That's why we're supposed to go outside.
Yeah. We'll go ham once we get up to the property.
And it's got a muzzle brake on in there. It didn't help much. All right.
Let's go. You adjust the gas on it?
Yeah.
Something ain't right? What?
Do that again. Every time I scrolls off the shot, he did.
What?
Every time I scrolls off a shot, the other guy. So do that
Yeah. Much better, my guy. Wow.
All right.
That's where we caught the suppression right there.
Yep. Now we're gonna go real quiet.
Go with what?
We're gonna go real quiet.
Way quiet. Woo. Wow.
Turn the gas.
Even more quiet.
Let's try that again.
Wow. Didn't seem too gassy.
It is a little gassy.
Was it gassy to you?
Yeah. We're indoors with a 7.5-inch gun with a 760.
Yeah.
It's gassy. All right. So, because of the gases, that's why we use a flow-through suppressor.
What kind of can is that?
Yours.
300. Yay.
Now these do get a little louder because they are vented. However, it's adjustable, so you can take this one off and put the non-vented cap on.
We'll go over that again when it's not so loud. That's exciting. What size thread is that?
It is actually a hub thread, but it's the cherry bomb.
Cherry bomb. Okay, gotcha.
Just like this one. So it's a Plan B thread, but cherry bomb in that.
Copy.
Now this one's gonna be a little bit louder because it's a vented suppressor, so I don't get punched in the face with gas too much.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
All right, so we got so we're gonna do 3 rounds of the supers, which I expect to be kind of loud, but not like knocking fillings loose loud.
Hey, you come to a gun range, it's gonna be loud.
So people don't get that part. Like being in the movies.
Yeah. Yeah. Very quiet. Oh my God.
That looks gassy as hell.
It is.
As a 7.62x39, it is.
Yeah. Very good. You want to see some solid butt fuckery that just happened a couple weeks ago?
What you do now? So these are all subsonic in here. These are all supers. So we're going to do 3 rounds of that out of this can, which is a much shorter can than the other one. This one's shorter
Super
than
and
the
sub.
other. And this one is subsonic. So
Okay.
shoot 3 rounds out of here, 3 rounds out of here.
Woo!
All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the super first.
Yep.
I'm about to feel the power. It's unsafe. I think you might have to turn the gas up on that one.
Okay.
Safety. What's up already? Yep, you're good.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm hot.
Ooh. I said 3 rounds. He busting up.
I'm sorry. That felt.
He got excited.
That felt good. Actually blew at the weapon like they do in the window. All right, now, yeah, let me get that.
Yeah.
Get your ass back over there.
Yeah, please. That's about $2.
That called about tree fitting.
Yep. I can't find no subsonic anywhere. At least not 762.
It's annoying how hard it is to find subsonic ammunition.
Yep.
That's why I switched the MPX to SD, so I can shoot normal ammunition and still subsonic.
Right.
I got tired of paying extra and then turn around and have to, oh, we don't have any subs anymore, but we have 150.
That's crazy.
So what you think?
I want it. I would cop it. So there's a guy out there that does gun content, GH Hustle. He does the Copper Drop. It's the title of his gun reviews, right?
Yeah.
Sharp stand-up guy, man. And he has a bunch of heavy hitters on his, collabing with his videos as well. But that's the title of his stuff, man. So I know that's like copywritten in a sense. I would cop that for sure. I would cop that for sure.
All right, now we're gonna go real quiet and very low recoil with a 22.
All right. Woo.
Originally, this gun is just more of a trainer to kind of what this is. I use this to train kids with.
Okay.
Partially to give them confidence, but I also use a suppressor to it because when you train kids indoors and it's their first time,
Right.
people like us scare them, especially when you're shooting without a can, or you get the guy with the 7.5-inch 5.56 that want to
Very good entry level.
Yeah, want to show off in front of his girlfriend in the bay next to a 7-year-old.
Gotcha.
Try to keep it as quiet, low recoil as possible, build up the confidence to where they can keep shooting.
Okay.
Get started. It would help if I actually brought the ammo into the gun range so we got the cut. I gotta go outside and get the ammo. I forgot the ammo on the car.
Oh.
Alright, so that's it for that one.
Man, that was a cold experience.
Alright, we're about to get the coldest experience in just a second.
Come on back. What we working with?
This is an MP5. It's a little bit bigger than one you guys shot. However, this one has what is called the giggle switch. In other words, it's going to go real fast. This is your first time shooting full auto, right?
First time shooting full
All right.
auto.
Well, you up? I'll walk you through
hell.
You want me to do this? You want me to
Get
do
it
it?
from that side.
All right. First thing first, you aim just like you do the other one. So go straight down that diopter. Aim low. First couple of shots, what I want you to do is do it in semi-auto. So drop it down one click. Hit that. Remember, slap the charger first. All right, drop it down one click.
One click.
Yep.
I'm at 1 right now.
Yep.
You can
You're
see
at
that?
1.
So I'm in semi right now, right?
Go on semi.
All right. Okay.
All right, let's have fun with it. Drop it all the way down.
Full auto.
Aim low.
Really lean in.
Lead into it.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, I
slide it back.
I'm trying to see something. Hold up.
Drop the mag. Lay it down.
My guy. Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man.
I just peed myself.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
I done did this one. I done shot the hell out of this guy.
You. Oh, so
can do it.
this ain't nothing
I
to you,
should do
man.
that.
Come on, man.
Go ahead.
Now, do it
This
again.
time.
Just lay on the trigger this time.
Yeah, just go all the way. Let it go. Just let it go.
Don't be.
Don't be all timid. You're too big for that. Slap it. Put it all the way down. Lean into it.
All right, here we go.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm surrounded by veterans. This ain't nothing new to them right now. They, day in the park.
Thanks, brother. Hey, come back and shoot that because I changed that MPX to an SD.
Okay.
Hey, that target didn't make it out safe.
No.
I got 3 stragglers,
No.
but man.